That's what a lot of times they're thinking is you're just letting him get away with this. And that's the furthest thing from the truth. And that's their perspective.
This can be a very confusing time for you, for your family. I imagine you're already dealing with the different levels of betrayal. You're already dealing with your own healing. And now, because family has been included in this, there's also an additional layer that you're having to deal with alongside that.